CAM350 user interface is very simple, allowing users to customize window display, docking positions, quickly show in high layers, customize toolbars and use keyboard shortcuts. Pan options: pan vertically view by mouse scrolling. Pan horizontally by shift plus mouse scrolling. Open the commonly used navigation pane toolbar and layer bar classic under the view menu. You can auto-hide toolbar by press this icon. Hovering the mouse over here, the toolbars will reappear. To display a specific layer only, double-click left mouse button on wanted layer to appear. To display other layers simultaneously, click the left mouse button on the corresponding layer, single-click. You can set the target layer as reference layer by right-click and from menu choose reference. Once set, the layer will remain displayed. This way, no matter what operation is performed, the data on the reference layer will always be displayed. Quick shortcuts. N. Toggle between positive and negative display. X. Toggle between cursor shapes. S. Toggle snap to grid points. Display the negative plane by press N. To view shortcuts, press Help from main toolbar. All shortcuts are listed here. Customize toolbar and set shortcuts. Right-click on empty space near the toolbar. Choose Customize. Create new toolbar. Drag and drop the new toolbar to toolbar area. Add the necessary commands to the newly created toolbar. This completes the toolbar definition. Now let's look at customizing shortcut keys. First, select command for which you want to define a shortcut. Enter the defined shortcut key. The shortcut is now defined and ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in training or services, feel free to contact me.